If your Whirlpool refrigerator's ice maker has stopped working, the issue might be broken wires at the bottom of the door. In this video, I will show you how to repair these wires and walk you through the ice maker tray and water fill testing. For this repair, you need wire stripper to strip the small wire size AWG 22 to 20. You need heat shrink, waterproof, solder bar connector, size AWG 26 to 24. You need heat gun with reflector nozzle to avoid burning materials around the wire. If you don't have the right equipment, you will struggle to perform this repair. I have affiliated links to the parts used in the video description. To start the repair, first take off the button cover by unscrewing 2 screws. Then open the door 90 degrees to slide out the cover. Do the same to the other side. You don't have to do this, but I cut off part of the cover to provide additional room for the wires. Tape a piece of aluminum foil to cover the refrigerator door to avoid heat gun damaging the plastic part. To correctly use the solder bar connector, first strip off section of the wires. Then push both wires into the connector to make sure the middle wires meet in the middle by the solder ring. Then use the heat gun to melt the connector. And make sure the solder is melted into the wire. Once connector cools down, you will make strong and solid connection. Repeat the process until all your broken wires fixed. After wires repaired, power off and power on your refrigerator. Then perform ice tray dumping test by holding ice tight button and light button at the same time for 3 seconds. Go to code 44, then wait few seconds, then press the select zone button. Next, perform ice tray water fill test. Go to code 45, then wait few seconds, then press the select zone button until you see code 3. Then you will hear the water dispensing. Place a button cover back, and you are done. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.